Why do people honk in India unnecessarily? कोर्स वोर्स होता है क्या? जबरदस्ती उंगली करके जाओ. Everything is recording. Mic 1. I don't know whether they are switched on or switched out. Let's hope for the best. So both of the mic, the one, both of them has the noise cancellation on. I don't know whether I should have done it on high. There are two apps, two modes for noise cancellation. One is the basic one and one is the high. Like high on noise cancellation. And preferably vlogging is not easy, man. Vlogging is seriously not easy. You have to manage your road idiots as well as your stuff. It is a multitasking job, bro. Even after doing this, you know the number of views and counts. That's okay. It depends on audience's choice, and you can't blame the audience for that. If they don't like you, you can't blame them. It's basically, you are failing to entertain them. That's the reality. Numbers speak your truth. Instagram numbers, YouTube numbers, whatever it could be. Wherever you post, the numbers speak your truth. You can't say this audience as I have myself. You have to produce. Today is the time where you produce according to the market, like according to the demand. If you are someone special, you already have a good number of influence on the public. You have good investment to create demand. That is stage 2. I don't know whether I'm giving any business lecture or what, but still, let's see. Just to have some conversation with the camera. This is a practice. Okay. So when I was looking for a mic, I had this light giant in front of me. That's a timer. I hope you could see that. I will change the camera angle later after this ride. This first ride. Let's see. The DJI mic test. The DJI mic mini test. Whether it gets successful or not. Let's hope for the best. By the way, this is the Scorpio R1 Air. My helmet. The sun is pretty harsh right now. It's not at all sunny. I don't know about the temperatures, but it's pretty hot. Though it gets cold or pleasant in the evening, but because of this Diwali, recent days, the temperature has been high. Sometimes you start feeling humid. Very nice. I basically want to experiment with the growling of the bike. I have this customized barrel exhaust. I have not completely made it airflow. Like My bike still has the catcon, but yes, the air filter and exhaust has been changed. It comes from barrel exhaust. I hope you can see it in my Instagram channel, the Moto Amit. You can find the first reel about the bike. It's a pin drill, so you easily find it. Traveling should be an essential part of life, essential way of life rather. Shouldn't be your escape plan. That's what I can say right now about traveling. Because these days people are like treating escapism as criminal. Yeah, we are getting those memes. People are getting obsessed with escapism. They love to run away, anything वगैरह. अरे भाई, जिसका मन है निकल रहा है, जिसका मन है रहता है. So basically what we did is we are not stopping on the signals right now. Just that I am not a jumper, but yes, we are not stopping on the signals either. If we get a left option, we are taking it, find a route, parallel route to our destination. And our destination is nothing but a coffee place. I have to study some content over there, and that is my go-to place. थोड़ा डर लगता है यार लोगों को कि whenever you go on the mainstream line of the road, गलती से कि जब एंटर करते हो तो रुक जाया करो. और that is what I did. Still, the jeep guy honked, and it's right. अचानक से सामने होगा, you don't have the judgment कि रुकेगा कि नहीं. और मैं स्पीड में हूँ. Those are the considerations when you ride in India or drive in India. Both the ways. कठिन है. देखते यार अभी आवाज़ कैसे रिकॉर्ड हुआ है. It's quite difficult right